Hey Michael, this is Joe with First on Top SEO. I shot you a video a couple of weeks ago. Just wanted to give you another one, giving you another tip on how you can gain more traffic going to your website, and then in return, more business coming to you. And so the one thing I wanted to share with you this time is what Google calls citations and trust flow. And so, as we can remember, the first one that was on the first page of the Google search engine was ARP roofing and remodeling. And so, once again, I just wanted to compare your website to theirs so that you can get somewhat of a grasp on how Google works and how they look at different aspects of a website to see whether they can trust it or not, because that's the whole thing that Google does is if your website has a large amount of trust to it, the more Google trusts you and the higher they will rank you. And so when we look at the ARP roofing and remodeling, like I mentioned, the trust flow to them, I use this website called Majestic. It's a paid website to get different types of metrics on the websites. And so the trust flow for their website is 11 and their citation flow is 23. Now, the trust flow uh, is not that high compared to some of the customers that we have, the clients that we do their website for, their SEO campaign. They could get up to 23 or higher. And the higher the trust flow, the more Google's going to trust your website and rank it higher on their search engine. And so that's the whole thing that what we're trying to go for is to get you on that first page of the Google search engine. And so their trust flow is 11. And as we go up to your website, we can see that your trust flow is of 6 and your citation flow is of 9. And so the trust flow uh, goes back to your backlinks. And now, if you have different websites that have, uh, sh- uh, what would you say, a high trust flow with Google itself, then if you backlink to it or link your website to that website with the high trust, then that trust flow will go onto your website and give you a higher trust flow as well. And so your trust flow here is 6. And so what we do when we do a full SEO campaign with our clients is we have these websites that I was talking to you about that have a high trust flow already or high trust with Google, and we own several hundred of these. And so what we do for our clients is we uh, link these websites to theirs, and it gives the trust from our website to yours. And then Google sees that, and they'll rank you a lot higher. And so instead of having a trust flow of 6, after doing an SEO campaign, you'll have a trust flow of 23, or at least higher than what the ARP, let's see, what the one that the ARP has, which was 11. So uh, right now they're beating you, or they're on top, ranked higher because of their trust flow and also their citation flow. Now, citations are literally just a list of your name, your business name, phone number, and address all over different directories on the internet. And these directories could be Google, Facebook, uh, Instagram, also Yext, and all the other search engines that also are used throughout the web. And so with a low trust flow, that means you have different types of errors on the different directories, or you're not appearing at all on these directories, in which Google looks at with the higher citation flow, meaning all your information on the internet on these different directories are all in sync and have no error. And so when they see this, then they're able to trust your website more and give you a higher ranking. So with the trust flow and the citation flow, you want them to be higher than the your competitors so that you can literally pass them up and be right on the first page of the Google search engine, which would be very easy for us to just get your information and into our system and then get it going, and start seeing the ranking go up on your website. And so with the citations, with the SEO campaign that we run, we not only give you the main directories online, but we also give you 250 more directories, so that when Google sees all these different directories and citations all in the same order and in sync with one another, then they will give you a higher ranking. And with the trust flow, once you link up to a backlink that has a high trust flow also with Google, then that trust flow will run from that website to your website, giving you a higher trust flow number. And so these are just a couple of things I wanted to share with you. And so if you could do this yourself, find someone that can do that, that'd be awesome. And get your website to start ranking a lot higher and more people finding your business online and using your service. If you need some help, maybe if you want, you can go ahead and reply to this video or to this message, and go ahead and we can talk a little more, see if maybe we can do a full SEO campaign with your business, and get you ranking a lot higher and a lot more people calling your phones and using your business. Thank you, Michael, for your time once again. You have yourself a good day. If you have any questions, feel free to message me back.